2007 Aston Martin Vanquish S Ultimate. Announced in February 2007, the Vanquish S Ultimate Edition was limited to a production run of just 50 examples, with 30 built in right-hand drive and 20 in left-hand drive. A fitting tribute to production ending of Aston Martin's flagship model and the ending of production of motorcars within the traditional Newport Pagnell manufacturing facilities. The unique specifications of the Vanquish S Ultimate, hand-built by the time-honoured Aston Martin craftsmen and engineers, included a unique metallic black paint finish, Ultimate Black, best described as black with hints of red and blue. This finish was only available on the Ultimate Edition Vanquish S model. Additionally, the front wing side strakes are fitted with discrete Ultimate insignia badges, trimmed in Obsidian Black semi-aniline hides with coarse red stitching, leather headlining, and, unique to the Ultimate Edition, black chrome finished interior fixtures and fittings. Individually numbered, each of the 50 cars built were also fitted with unique SILL plaques, denoting its limited edition number. This car, number 32 of 50, was manufactured in 2007 and supplied in left-hand drive configuration via Aston Martin agents Atlantic Trading of Tokyo, with optional red brake calipers, body-coloured door releases and 2+2 seating configuration. Maintained by agents Atlantic Trading for 5 years, thereafter routine maintenance has been expertly carried out by specialists to the highest standards as presented today. Our thorough inspection confirms that this car is in excellent condition throughout. Fully serviced and prepared by our team of Aston Martin trained technicians, this rare and classic Ultimate Edition Vanquish S is now ready to be enjoyed by its next custodian. Supplied with Japanese title documents, a manufacturer's certificate of origin and technical data sheet, local taxes are applicable. Available for viewing and demonstration now at our Hertfordshire showroom.